girl, Yvonnelove. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I have a special guest, which is my mom.
Hi everyone.
And we're going to be doing learning Swedish with me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, doodle stuff in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Comment down below if you guys have subscribed. Let's get started to the video.
Okay, Yvonne, what is a cup in Swedish?
Mug.
Mug.
Monk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds like monk. Monk. That's so weird.
I know.
Mug. Okay.
Okay.
So how about like a computer?
Dator.
Doctor.
Wow.
It sounds like a doctor.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right,
Swedish
my
language.
turn. What is spoon in Swedish?
Sked.
Can you say that again?
Sked.
Weird.
Weird.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Is that how it sounds?
Yeah.
Weird.
Okay.
Okay. And what about television?
TV.
TV. Can you say that again, please?
TV. Okay, that's TV. So click on your TV. So click and subscribe and turn on the notification bells. So give us a like, thumbs up now on your TV. Yeah. Okay.
The next question is what is shoes in Swedish?
School.
School. Okay.
That sounds more like school.
I
Like
guess I'm
you
going
when
to
you go to school.
Yeah.
School. So if you like talking in English, you say school. That's people will think you're going to school. But it's shoes in Swedish.
Can you say that
There's
again?
like
Can you say that again, please?
Air and the last part.
Okay.
School.
School.
Yeah.
Okay.
We learned that today. So shoes is called
School.
Okay.
Okay. So
Next.
what about when you say mother?
Mama.
Mama.
Okay.
Minna mama. Okay.
Yeah, that sounds similar to English.
Mama. So it's more like the same way in English, anyways. All right, that's cool. Okay.
Mama.
How do they say backpack? In
Ryggsäck.
Ryggsäck. A backpack, a ryggsäck.
So put on your ryggsäck.
Are we good to go to school?
Okay.
That's good. That's
Okay,
good.
let's make some sentences. Like sentences, like you know how to make some sentences.
This
in
is gonna
Swedish.
be level 2 harder.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay, a easy one. So, how do they say, like, are we going to school tomorrow morning?
Ja, vi ska gå till skolan imorgon på morgonen.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
You need to calm down for your audience so they can understand what you're
So I'm gonna say
saying.
slowly.
Alright.
How do you say it again?
I'm going to go to school tomorrow morning. I am going to school tomorrow morning.
Jag kommer gå till skolan imorgon morgon.
You can go to
Cool.
till or to.
Till.
You can go till skolan imorgon på morgonen. I'm sorry, my bad with my accent. I'm not a Swedish person. You can go to skolan imorgon på morgonen. Okay.
Okay.
Leave it in the comment sections
If you guys
know the word. If you have tried to pronounce the word. You can go to skolan imorgon på morgonen. That means I will be going to school
Tomorrow morning.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna ask something in Swedish, in English now, which is I want to eat food. How do you say that?
Jag vill äta mat.
Jag vill
Jag
äta
vill
mat.
äta mat.
And I can repeat it again for you guys that did not hear me. Okay. Jag vill äta mat.
Okay.
Jag vill
Äta mat. Okay.
means food, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jag vill. I want. Jag vill. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. How do they say it's lunchtime? We have to go home.
Så vi måste gå hem.
Say it again. Repeat it
Det är
again.
dags för lunchtid och vi måste gå hem.
Oh my God.
Take that for
You're so good in Swedish, darling.
Tid.
We must go.
We must go hem.
Can you say that again? Can you say
It's
that
so
again,
hard.
please?
Det är dags för lunchtid och vi måste gå hem.
Bravo. Bravo. That's so
Swedish
cool. That's so
words are
cool.
I'm going to sleep now. How do you say that?
Jag ska gå och sova nu.
Yes.
Jag ska gå sova nu.
Wow.
Jag
Okay.
ska gå sova nu. I'm going to sleep now. No, we're not going to sleep. We're just repeating the word. So don't go anywhere. Stay glued to your TVs and your... Okay, let's go on. How about my little sister is crying.
Min lilla syster gråter.
Gråter. Oh my God. Gråter.
It was like grandpa.
Yeah.
Gråter.
Grot.
Gröt.
It sounds
Gröt.
okay. My little sister is crying. It's said as
Min lilla syster gråter.
Okay. Good. Okay, how about don't forget to subscribe.
Glöm inte bort att prenumerera.
Oh,
Can you say that again? Say that again, please.
Glöm inte bort att prenumerera.
Do not forget to subscribe.
long things about
Glömera.
Prenumerera.
long things about prenumerera.
Det är så här.
And also
Glöm inte bort
comment.
att prenumerera.
Good. So you guys grab that. Glöm inte bort
Prenumerera.
I'm swallowing my tongue, so I can't even pronounce those words. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this beautiful
Episode
of
for Learning Swedish with Yvonne's parents
Leave your comments in
today.
the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, hit the thumbs button, and
We love you.
Love you.